Good morning, Mr. Sada. Good morning. Morning, Mr. Hugo. Morning. So, what are you working on today?
So here is the new growth of the pine.
Uh-huh.
So we are removing.
All right.
Right. So it's really the growth control
Uh-huh.
because you don't want to see pine tree get too tall too fast.
Okay.
So this is a standard that the maintenance in the spring this time of the year. Although this year is really, I would say at least 2 weeks earlier than the normal.
All right. So the weather's been slightly warmer than usual.
Right, and
Okay.
dry. So that's actually this is a sort of Japanese red pine, actually hybrid with Scotch pine. So they produce a lot of pollen in this time of the year.
Uh-huh.
So we're removing this candle that will otherwise produce a lot of pollen, those yellow powders.
Okay.
So we are preempting.
I'm sure a lot of people are very familiar with the pollen by now, right? It's been flying around across the city,
Right, exactly.
covering our cars, houses.
So you can see how long this is.
Oh, wow. Wow.
So we're just removing the candle.
Those look do look pretty prominent actually.
Right.
Very prominent. So can
we
you
have
only
bunch
do
of-
it by hand?
Right.
Can you not use any apparatus, tools?
Not this time of the year. What's happened is, what's the easiest? This is not. So these are basically the bunch of needle coming out.
Uh-huh.
So when you use the tool, you are cutting the needle,
Right.
and then it gets brown.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So, yeah, this is just a no tool this time of the year,
Uh-huh.
and also the hands can do faster and better job than using the tool.
I see. Wow. Do you work your way up or down?
Start from the top.
Start from the top. So everything above you basically has been worked on, right? Okay.
So we are just about done with this one.
Uh-huh.
So we cover the plant so this debris doesn't go into the shrubs.
All right.
And it's hard to clean.
Okay. Oh, hence the cover. Okay, I see what you mean. Wow. So pine tree of this size, how long would you say it's gonna take you to do the complete work for candling?
Well, if you pick the right season, meaning that when the candle is the right length,
Uh-huh.
it's not too long, too short, it's not too soft or too hard,
Yeah.
then I think we just started. It's about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. It's
40,
pretty
45 minutes.
much. So I think in this size tree, probably one person can do in, I would say 2 hours.
Okay.
But this time, again, we're hitting the tree in the right season,
Uh-huh.
so it goes fast.
I see.
But if you wait too long, then you ended up using the tools because this candle gets stiff.
Uh-huh.
Then the finger doesn't work. Like you can see here, when I'm removing this one, all I'm doing is pinching.
Oh, wow.
So it goes fast.
I see.
Right. But if you have to use a tool, that's really slow you down.
Uh-huh.
This is true in any case, not just the pine.
Okay.
Any pruning.
Wow.
Our hands are the best, most sophisticated, and most efficient tool ever.
Yes, they are. Quite literally intuitive.
Right. Another thing is, so I am standing on the ground right now.
Uh-huh.
So this is the best view. You're on the ground as opposed to up in the tree.
Yeah.
Anything you are either on the ladder or on the trees
Uh-huh.
slow you down quite a bit. I mean, you can imagine, on the ground, I am constantly maintaining the best position.
Yeah, yeah.
Whereas if you're on the ladder,
Uh-huh.
that limits what you can do.
Less stable.
Yes, the efficiency goes down,
Uh-huh.
60, 50%.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
You
So
can reach
this-
this side, right? No.
I didn't want to.
Just I want to make sure you can get to it.
Oh,
What do
no,
you
I can get to it. I just.
Morning, Mr. Frank.
Doing something I didn't want to just barge in.
This is the type of work that goes in behind the scenes. I guess. Yeah, maintaining the garden.
So we don't have enough time.
It actually shows us it is a living thing. The garden itself, it just constantly changes throughout the year, and without proper human care and maintenance, I guess it just goes back to wild. Let's hear a word from Hugo. Sorry to catch you off guard. How are you this morning?
Good.
Yeah,
It's a nice pine.
this is, isn't it? So all this has to be done after pruning, right? After taking out all the unnecessary branches, I guess.
Well, this is similar to pruning itself.
Uh-huh.
We're just taking out the buds that just before it becomes a branch. So this is gonna be a branch in future.
Mhm.
We're just taking out before it becomes a branch. So it is similar to pruning itself.
It is, okay. So you're not just randomly doing everything, but you have to keep it under control as to how much you can do.
Yes.
All right. Wow. Wow. It does seem to take some skill actually to do that. Mm.
2 hands and 2 eyeballs moving.
What do you have to be most careful about when handling these trees?
Handling is there are smaller buds besides the big bud.
Uh-huh.
So we take out the taller one and try to keep the smaller one.
Yeah, yeah.
If you go too fast and take out both, then
I
you're
see.
gonna destroy the smaller bud too.
I see. So I guess some parts of those buds are actually essential to the growth of the tree as a whole.
Yes.
But too much of it is going to not kill the tree, but
Yes.
it's not going to make it look ideal.
These will be flowers soon,
Uh-huh.
and this will weaken the branches. 'Cause
Okay.
It's gonna take so much nutrients.
All right. I see, I see. Wow. Okay, thanks very much for your time explaining, walking us through
Thank you.
some of what goes behind the scenes actually at Paul and Japanese garden. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.